This is a VGBUY 110 piece assortment. It's number 8 by 32 threads per inch machine screws. They're 304 stainless steel, and you get lengths between 1/2 inch up to 2 inches. So I received these to review for free. They cost $10 normally if you want to purchase them. They have not paid me for my review, and so my opinions remain my own. So the box has individual containers. There's a piece of foam keeping these screws apart from, jumping between the different box compartments. And there's 2 little clips here. You lift those clips up, foam comes up, and here's all your pieces. Now there's nothing on the inside that tells you the length, so you have to transfer, okay, well that's the 1/2 inch there and that's the 2 inch there. Obviously, when you pull out a tape measure, you can measure the length of these guys. So I have a super strong magnet here, and these guys are basically not reacting at all to this guy, so I definitely believe they are 304 stainless. It does not include any nuts. I have my own number 8 by 32 nut, and it is threading iron just beautifully there. And so, the threading on this is randomly selected sample. I'll pick a different one, but the threadings look to be perfectly correct here. So these are pan head Phillips machine screws. So yeah, that looks like a pretty nice little selection. If you're looking to build up a selection of different lengths, this is a very reasonable price, I think, considering you get the case with the organization system. It's not a super large number of any particular length, but if you just need to go and get 1 or 2 of something, it's really nice to have something like this around.